Performance reviews are supposed to be fair, but in most small teams, every manager rates a little differently, so the same work earns a different score depending on who writes the review. And the ratings quietly drift upward until almost everyone exceeds expectations and the review tells you nothing. This workbook fixes both problems in one file you own. It starts with a weighted score, not a plain average. Each criterion carries a weight you set. A role built on quality can weight quality of work up. A role built on hitting targets can weight goal achievement up. So the score reflects what the job actually needs, and everyone is measured on the same criteria. On the Reviews tab, you rate each person 1 to 5 on every criterion. That's all you do. The workbook computes the weighted overall score, and the rating band for you is from unsatisfactory to outstanding, and flags the top and bottom of the range. One consistent yardstick, applied the same way to everyone. A defined rating scale keeps it honest. A 4 means the same thing on communication as it does on quality of work, so the ratings are comparable when you calibrate. And meets expectations is a good rating. Most of a healthy team should land there. The workbook reserves the top bands for performance that genuinely clears the bar. Then comes the step most reviews skip. The calibration tab shows the rating distribution across your whole team, next to a reference spread with a rating inflation read. A by manager view shows each manager's average and top box rate. So a lenient or a strict rater is easy to spot. You calibrate before any review is delivered, which is the only point where a rating can still move. Everything fits your roles. On the Criteria and Weights tab, rename a criterion, rewrite its description, or change a weight. And the Reviews tab rescores everyone live. A built-in check tells you when your weights total 100%. Set a weight to 0 to drop a criterion entirely. The score simply renormalizes across the rest. And it's more than a template. 4 written PDF guides come with it. A Start Here guide, the review method and scoring guide. A guide to running the cycle and reading the calibration on a worked example. And printable review and calibration sheets for the meeting. Real teaching with worked examples, not just a blank grid. A performance management platform charges a subscription per seat for exactly this. Here it's one owned file, Excel, Google Sheets, or LibreOffice, plus a one-click Google Sheets copy. Nothing ships, you download it the moment you buy and reuse it every review cycle. The Performance Review and Calibration Workbook from Ardent Workshop. Own it, don't rent it.